Take a look at that. It's cold in Texas. The rain has been freezing all day. Rain's freezing all day. Take a look at that. For a Cali boy, we don't see stuff like this often. All right, let's go in, guys. Let's go in and eat. Come on, Killy. What's up, Phoenix? Go around. Happy birthday, Dee Dee. Oh wait, it's not your birthday. We're just here because we were in the mood for Mexican food. Yeah. So I may have overdone it tonight. You know what my ticket is? $90 for dinner. Ice, ice, baby. Dun, 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 dun. Ice, ice, baby. Dun, 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 dun. We got ice. So bring your iced tea. Get ready and listen. Look at those power lines. Those are sagging, yo. Push the cart. Whoa! All right, here. You hold this.
Whoa.
Push up. Get in the weeds some, maybe. Push up. All right, guys, it's chilly. No skateboarding this weekend. No video. Sorry. It's too cold. We gotta survive. You know what? I don't really know about ice driving, but just common sense makes me think I should have it in 4 high. Every added little bit of takeoff traction, if any takeoff traction, would be a benefit. And then you got some clown that just decides to get off in front of you. Getting off in front of somebody is really rude. Should be illegal. Oh, well, that kind of, yes, it is. But I guess apparently in a car you're good to go. Hazard lights. I think the real danger is the people that don't know how to drive in ice. And I was going to add a correction. I hear a lot of people saying, well, I'm from here and I'm from there, and I won't name any states, but you might know who you are. Yeah, we're used to driving like that in this kind of weather, and I made a realization that in those kind of states, they really get heavy on the salt and on the gravel and throwing the dirt and stuff down. We do have that on the overpasses because those are deadly out here. We just had a big one out there, and rest in peace to everybody who didn't pull through that. That was a gnarly thing to see. But so, and then I made a realization when a friend in Montana said something. Anybody that drives, that knows how to drive, or who comes from an area who knows the elements of driving in ice, doesn't drive in ice. Because driving in ice is never safe. So, whenever that person pops off that, oh yeah man, I know how to drive in ice, I'm like, well, yeah, you know, you should probably get home, because that's not experience, you know. I think besides putting your hazard lights on like these dudes, which I don't have mine on, putting your headlights on, because everybody's windows ice up, and when I look in my rearview mirrors, I don't see anybody because no one has their headlights on. But the real ticket is just going slow, I guess. There might be some four-wheel drive master out here telling me I shouldn't be using 4x4 on this kind of a road situation. But, you know, I feel like what kind of damage can it do on blacktop if it's because of a limited traction scenario? So anyway, we're going to get home with our Costco. And I took a bunch of little short clips, may piece them together with something. I don't know, later. Wonder if it snowed. I think we were supposed to get snow last night. Let's take a peek. No way. Look at that. It did snow. What? 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 Look at that. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. Old Glory in the sunset. God, we got about... No way. Some deep snow drift between the car. That's probably a foot deep, at least. That's probably a foot and a half right there, maybe. Look at that. No way. What a trip. You can't even see the curb. That's the rain gutter right there, and it's a pretty deep one. Wow. But look at that. Luckily, there's not too much weight on top of the trees. That's good. Last night, I came out to check things out, and there was like a little mockingbird sitting right there. Not a baby, but an adult, sitting right there and had his head turned around like a chicken does. And was just trying to be out of the snow and stay warm. So I actually put it in my garage last night. And it's probably glad it did. It would have been covered with snow. All right, so we have a snow day here in Round Rock today. We're from the West Coast, and we don't have the clothes for it, but we're making do. Yes. We pulled out all the shoes from the closet, and we're wearing layers trying to make this happen. Nobody has winter clothes for 9 degrees, and that's what we're looking at, 9 degrees. Luckily, we're one of the families who never lost power last night, and we are quite thankful for that. And our house is nice and toasty for when we come back in here. Go into the garage, guys. You guys will be cooler. Go, Killy.
Hey! It will be cooler, much cooler.
Seth has some of the warmest clothes out of all of us.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Can I give you a high five? We'll make way to the garage.
Whoa. Oh, wow. Immediately. Killian, you're going to make yourself really cold to start with.
Yes.
Why don't you run around in it a little bit first? Man.
Oh, what the?
Let's zoom out. Oh. Dude, you're going to be freezing, kid. Ah, fun. Fun stuff. Fun stuff. You're making first tracks. Go, Seth. Go catch him. You remembered shades. That was smart of you. I'm out here blinded by this reflection. I don't think weather is supposed to happen like this in Texas. My goodness. First tracks. What a trip. Watch the curb. Oh,
you didn't even remember there was a curb there.
You forgot there's a curb. Watch the curb. Oh, you could fall in the gutter. Oh, wait, look, there's a hole in the gutter. Is that... Dude, what the heck? Dude, this is weird. This is so weird. Look at this guy here left for work. It looks like they did. They went around the corner there. There's got to be 6 inches of snow in the road here. Look, you can't even see the sidewalk or anything. My wife washed the car a week before, and we forgot to turn the hose off, which the hose has like some backup pressure thing. So it leaked. So this is my janky job last night. However, it looks like it worked. That's probably a bunch of ice. Oh, that's not that bad. It looked like stalactites here yesterday from the water that was spraying on the wall. It was quite interesting.
Look, turn to dust.
Punch through. You punching a porthole through? A porthole? How about a portal? It sounds better.
Yeah. Find something to bury. Ooh, can I bury Daddy?
Heck no. Times. Yeah. Yeah.
Make it rain.
Make it rain.
It says, make it rain.
Boy, it certainly did. Just for video reference here. 2021. February, what is the date? 15th?
February.
Something like that. It is like 9 degrees, like 9 in the morning. It might be a little later. It might be 10. But it's pretty darn cold out here. This is our road, right? We got sidewalks and curbs out here. For anyone's not aware, this is a very trippy thing for Round Rock, Texas. Man, you can't even see the driveway, curbs, nothing. Look at that. I'm surprised there's not more kids. There's kids in all these houses, and we're the first ones out. Oh, that was dirty. That was dirty, Phoenix. I hope you feel guilty for that one. I think I'd tackle her. Yeah, nice one.
Let's make a little wall set.
Get Seth's making tracks.
Yep. This is the stage. Look. Can I use your head as a camera mount?
You. Yeah, that's good. That's good. You're allowed to get in the way of each other, tackle each other, trip each other. Don't fall on your faces though. Seth is making new tracks. Seth is just going. He's going to Chick-fil-A. Seth is going to Chick-fil-A. Whoa, let's zoom in. Hey Seth! Seth! How far are you going? Let's see how fast you can come back. Whoever touches the hand wins. The hand. The hand. The hand. The hand. Oh, Phoenix fell! Seth is the winner, and he worked the hardest too. So there it is. 2021, month of February, Round Rock, Texas. This is sort of a biblical storm here, man. I ain't seen anything like this in these parts. I've only been here 7 years, but hey. All right, later. All right, so being a Californian, driving the snow, I just want to check it out. So let's see what it goes like. I really don't think there's a big issue, but nobody on my cul-de-sac has driven in the snow, so I want to be that fool to do it. Snowpack, dude, for real. Is he putting chains on? if they got stuck. I think that car got stuck or something. This is a lot of snow for Round Rock, Texas, man. There's a quad out there, dude. See that?
ATV. Just passed.
Yeah.
It seems like there are only 4-wheel drive cars out on the road. There's trucks, jeeps, some like 2 regular cars.
Yeah, we got one behind us. It looks like a Subaru. Like those are, I think those are 4-wheel and all-wheel drive. Is it, or is it a PT Cruiser? I don't even know what that is. But look at how slushy this. Some cars would not take this corner very well. You know?
Car behind us is there, like, why so slow?
I see them spinning out back there.
Or put over your nose.
Looks like a... Dude, what's going on in here? Dude. I was gonna go get some milk, eggs, and bread for the neighbors. But man, dude, look at the crowd over there. Let's go to H-E-B instead.
That's a...
Crazy. So this is Round Rock on the corner of 79. A.W. Grimes. Look at that Wells Fargo Bank right here. So we do have some melt. And if you look right there, we got 19 degrees Fahrenheit. Dang, dude. Still cold. The, I think it was as low as like 5 degrees last night or something like that. See how it says we're sliding because we're taking off in 2-wheel. Let's just go since we're in a slushy intersection.
The car in front of us, I can tell is sliding.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
So, is that grocery store open right there?
Bank of America or H-E-B Plaza?
The grocery store? Yeah, it looks open, huh?
Yeah, there's some cars there.
Definitely. Let's go do that. Right here.
Don't flip.
Alright, let's cross this.
I'm glad. Look at that action. I didn't know what the plan was.
Good old H-E-B. The best grocery stores in the U.S. Alright, so here we are. Got a little update on the adventure. H-E-B was closed, so we decided to drive down to Randall's. Randall's is actually open, but there's nothing on the shelves. So my neighbors needed some bread, eggs, and milk. I was able to get my hands on a couple gallons of milk, but no bread, no eggs. And the line to the self-checkout went around the whole store. Not around the whole store, but to the down and back twice. I'm not that guy. I'm not that guy to wait in line. I braved the ice and went to Costco, and I loaded up. So I'm usually prepared. I'm usually that guy, you know. So yeah, it feels good to be that guy. But we're not going to wait in this line. But we're not going to wait in that line. Let's show you the roads over here. All right, so I'm in 4 high. I don't know if I should be on this kind of driving. It definitely is grippier, so it feels safer. Like I said, not a snow driver. Don't really know what to do, but in the 2x, it's a little slick, a little more slick. So, all right, dudes, that's our weekend. I think tomorrow's Tuesday, and I think I got snowed out, iced out for Tuesday also, possibly Wednesday, maybe the whole week. For my skate community, we obviously aren't doing any skateboarding, right? Like, I have a limit of 43 degrees. If it's not at least 43 in the morning when I get there, and it doesn't have the chance to heat up above 46 at some point, I just won't even go. So I've learned at what's the level I'm comfortable at, and I think this weather continues on all the way through. I think we don't have a chance again, probably, on the cold front until maybe Sunday. So, that being said, there may be a chance to get on the bikes, or I got to do my bike review video because I got some opinions on that. But anyway, I hope everybody's finding their needs met. They're warm. You know, they've got the electricity. Like, we had electricity all night, but I know a lot of my friends haven't. And I feel for you if you're finding yourself in that situation, and I'll keep a positive vibe for all my homies out there. But anyway, we'll talk to you later. Bye. So this is another day later. We are still covered in ice and snow. I think work for this week has been canceled. Yeah, this is pretty intense. This is something brand new for me. Psst. Is it possible to ride a fat tire bike in the snow? I mean, I'm cool. This bike's super cool. I got a lot of style points on the bike. Maybe cool keeps me afloat out here. Let's see. Okay, come right out here, too. I'm gonna just push off and go. What's up, little homie? Fancy meeting you out here. So, I can go wherever I want in this bike. Fat tire bike, Huntington Beach Bike Company. Even on the beach, even in the snow.